this is Legends Realty and I'll be showing you the property at 6140 Sandcrest Circle in Orlando, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, duplex with 1,103 square footage. As we enter to the house, we'll find living room and dining room. And to our right, we'll find the master bathroom with the garage access. This is a master bathroom. With the master bathroom. Kitchen. And the guest bedrooms. And guest bathroom. Thank you for viewing the property at 6140 Sandcrest Circle in Orlando, Florida. This video was brought to you by Legends Realty.